Second pair from India, the Scorpio Panicans. Oh, here they come. 4 birds on stage. The next birds are also from Africa. Lovely ladies in pink. We have 65 of them. The great coming from way up there, I think. Maybe they're not ready yet, but that's okay. We got our Birmingham roller pigeons from England coming all the way from up there. Now to finish it off, we have our beautiful macaws from South America coming from up